Welcome back to our video series on contactless wireless sensing. In the first part, we discussed what is contactless wireless sensing. In the second part, we are going to discuss why we need wireless contactless sensing. The population aged 65 and above is projected to increase from 6.9% to 12% globally, and in Europe specifically, it's projected to increase from 15.5% to 24.3%. This population set has a high probability of suffering from chronic illnesses like Parkinson's diseases and diabetes, as well as cardiovascular diseases. In the US, for instance, we have 80% of the elderly population who have at least one chronic illness. Also, we have at least 50% of the population having at least two chronic illnesses. Chronic illnesses is one of the major causes of mortality globally, with at least 30% of global deaths caused by CVD each year. This age group of 65 plus is also at high risk of mortality for the ongoing coronavirus pandemic. Therefore, cheap and continuous monitoring systems are needed in order to save lives. Wireless body area networks is one of the promising technology which promises to provide continuous patient monitoring, and it's also cheap compared to conventional patient monitoring systems. Wireless body area network are placed on or around the patient. Nevertheless, implanted sensors are quite uncomfortable and also require frequent expert intervention. Also, we need physical contact between the patient and the caregiver, which can be very dangerous in cases where the patient is suffering from contagious illnesses and can cause widespread of the illness. Therefore, contactless wireless sensors are in demand, where it reduces physical contact between the patient and the caregiver. It also overcomes other challenges for wireless body area networks, such as limited resources, fault tolerance, and security, among others. In contactless wireless sensors, as we discussed in our first video, radio frequency signals are sent, and the reflection is processed and analyzed in order to extract the information of the subject under study. Such observations include respiration rate, breathing, as well as emotions. In the next part of this video series, we are going to look at how contactless wireless sensors are implemented and deployed. See you then.